In this video, I will tell you how you can set up your payment gateway. Click on setting and simply click on payment. Here you will get three options: Shopify payment, PayPal, and third party provider. Click on PayPal account. If you have already PayPal account, simply sign in. If you have not PayPal account, business PayPal account, kindly sign up, then attach. It will be connected. The second thing, you need to set your billing information. Click on billing information and simply add your payment method. Enter your card number, expiry date, CVV number, and first name, last name, your address and city, state and country, state and zip code. Simply click on add your credit card. Thanks for watching.